When does parental alienation intersect DCF allegations of physical abuse in Massachusetts? And that's a loaded question. In the probate and family court, parents look to gain leverage in custody battles. When you have custody, it means you get child support. And if you can get a restraining order, it means you get even more child support. And there's a presumption against the other parent, and on and on and on. And the gamesmanship that goes on, it's ugly. The children are used as pawns. An example of this would be where one parent alleges against the other parent that the child's been physically abused. Doesn't matter what it is. Could be spanking, could be, they hit or punched, or child was harmed in the custody of the other parent. And I'm asked all the time by parents, Attorney Seaver, how do I protect myself against that? And it's a simple answer. And it's an unfortunate measure you should take. But I tell my clients, every time when you have an issue like this, eliminate the issue. How? Film your child, whether with a camera, your cell phone, or whatever. Every time before the child leaves to go to the other parent's house, have the child in a pair of underwear or a bathing suit. And just film the child. If it's a female, put her in a bathing suit. And then when the child comes back, do the exact same thing. Then the video is timed, dated, and stamped. And no one can say later, oh, she or he had bruises or marks when they came to my house. And then I send them back to the father's house. There was marks and bruises. Well, the child leaves your house with no marks and bruises and come back with marks and bruises. You're off to the races. You know that those marks and bruises happened over at the other person's house. And then what you do is you follow up with an email. Here's pictures before she or he left. Here's pictures of the child coming back to me. What are these marks and bruises? And don't all of a sudden expect or file and say it's physical abuse. Don't do that. Don't play that game. Wear the white hat. Give the other an opportunity to explain what happened. Because many times children are rough and ready. They play sports. They do things that can and will cause marks and bruises. And the last thing you want to do is start World War III. It doesn't serve either the parents any good, and it's just awful for the children to be caught in a game of being a pawn in the parents' custody battle.